Welcome back, guys. So from you see the title and you see them here, you know what time it is. Yes, guys, we are giving you a famous bowl. We have our cheese here, mozzarella, our popcorn chicken, and our red cheddar, and our potato. Give them it, chef. Give them it.
Flakes.
Yes, guys, and you don't know how this works. The potato flakes, you just add warm water. So follow it for check on the water. Yes, guys, look at that water ready. Bubbly my bubble. So forward again, we could just add the warm water to the potato
And get this cracking.
Yes, guys, let's go. Yes, guys, so this is it.
So I gotta add some parsley flakes first, guys, because this is our twist. Our take. Our way.
And guys, feel free to try it out and let us know what you think. If it's better than KFC, if it tastes like KFC, let us know.
Normally we would have cream or potatoes, guys, but we are keep it traditional because that's how KFC would have used. This is the potato that KFC would have used. So I keep it traditional.
And most of them fast food places there where you go and you see them have mashed potato, this is the potato that they use.
So as you can see, the parsley flakes and pepper flakes added.
Yes, guys, and you don't need any salt. Please, no salt, because this has its own salt already.
So now we're gonna add some boiling water.
Yes, guys, and you see us with a fork here, but if you have a whisk, feel free to use that whisk, guys.
I have to show it like how you do it on the yard, in a yard man
Yeah,
style.
but if you have a whisk, feel free to use it,
Because
right?
enough people that woman them not have a whisk, so we have to show it as it is. Now be around a bush and a pretty up nothing, because we have everything in our guys. But we have to do it like how you that the woman do it. I feel like you feel more comfortable doing it that way.
Yes, guys. And you see, nicely coming together, right? And gradually add the water. If you notice, we didn't add all the water at once. We gradually add it. Yes,
We're
guys.
gonna add the next spoon of water.
Look at that. Beautiful, right? Wow, beautiful. Work that far, guys. So I'm gonna get you drift. We are catching up back when the potato mash, and we are going to do the assembly. Yes, guys, we're soon forward.
Soon forward.
Yes, guys, this is it. Our potato. Look at that.
Creamy and nice, right?
Beautiful. So we just have to get on with the assembly. Plate right there.
So we can do this on the home. Now I've got to the KFC.
Cause guys, KFC price too dear right now. Big deal, $1,050. Tell me now. And I need to try out the recipe them and put them on a strike. Yes, try out the recipe and put KFC on a strike. Doing it at home, right?
And guys, remember, if you don't want to remember how to do the popcorn chicken,
Check out the video.
So
Yes.
just check out the video, guys. Can't go wrong.
And y'all go get enough than KFC too. When you do it at your home, get enough than KFC.
All who know for cream potato, you can use cream potato. Or you can use this, but we use this potato because it's standard for KFC.
Yes, guys.
And all of 90% of the fast food restaurants,
This is what they use.
This is what they use.
KFC not enough side now?
So I have one.
Yes, guys. Now with that popcorn chicken. And guys, or twist, or take, or we. Feel me?
Can tell us when I've done this,
Now I go back to KFC again.
I feel like eating yourself every day. Once you try this recipe, there's no regrets. Talk to me, huh?
Yes, guys. And guys, remember, run over to our couples channel and subscribe, show some love. Run over to King and Ali. Yes, guys, and show some love, right?
See that?
Cheesy. Yes, more cheese. More cheese. Look at that, man. More cheese. Wow.
Yeah, cheesy.
Yes, guys.
Alright, so we're gonna show this in the oven for just 2 minutes.
2 to 5 minutes.
2 to 5 minutes, guys. Get the cheese melted all over this. Look on it. Take a closer look. Look closer. Alright, so we're gonna go to the oven.
Forward.
No, forward with it.
Yes, guys, look at that. And for all the persons who don't have oven and you have a microwave, you do the same, right?
But the oven is the best because the microwave too much radiation, guys.
So forward. Look at that, guys. Oh my God. Wow, look at that. Beautiful, right? So let's get over to the plating station. Ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers forward. Yes, guys, look at this. From your city plate, you know what time it is. Our famous bowl. Look at that, beautiful, right?
Drop in some garnish now, guys. You were right there.
Yes, beautiful. Guys, feel free to try this recipe. Give us your feedbacks, because you know the feedbacks are important.
And you can try it and give us anything on our Instagram. We'll give you a repost.
Yes, guys,
right
definitely. There. And this is easy, cheap, on a budget, you know. 1 chicken breast. You know, you have some cheese in your fridge from when. You have the potato at home. Round it up and give the kids. Right there. Got that, man. Beauty.
If beauty was a person, you wouldn't have no beast.
Ooh, yes. Beautiful, guys. I love it.
So I'm hearing in the comment section.
Ooh, yes.
It's hot here. Which you see me doing this.
Yes, guys.
Hot.
Remember, follow our Instagram. So this is it. Until next time. Bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.